I've got a seat ordered, I've got tail plastics coming, I've got the side tank cover ordered, and pretty much all that's left is my tail light, wire up the front lights, and then do something with the exhaust. So while that was all taken off, I got my header off over here, and a lot of people think that the mid pipe, which is right here in the bike, they think that's the catalytic converter, and it's not. The cat is actually in there. You can see that kind of. I've got a chisel and a hammer, and I'm beating the living shit out of this thing, trying to break it out, and maybe it'll give it a little more sound when I'm all done. Okay, so we changed our plans, and I just cut that shit off. There's no way I was pounding this dense motherfucker out of there. There's two of them. There's one on the inside, and then there's a second one on the outside. I tried caving that in, but it was just too fucking difficult. And I got a welder, so let's tie her up. Okay, so I'm gonna call that pretty good. Here's my little hockey puck chunk looking fucking things. It's a bitch to get out. Got a new battery because the old one was, I don't know, it was blowing out sulfuric gas, and I guess that's like not good or something. So throw this new one in and take her home. Okay, so we're messing around with the lights here, and these little aftermarket things I found, they came with high-low, and then there was like a running light that was in there. So I replaced the running lights with amber lights. So after mapping out a little bit of my wiring here from the front bezel that was all broken and shit, I should be able to, boom, my headlights are now my turn signals. So we got the front end all wired together, and you couldn't really see the turn signal when I was doing it, when I had the lights on. So I wired in some relays. So now my lights open. You can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so we got the new seat came in off some donor bike elsewhere in America, and I guess when this thing crashed, this got like ripped up and mangled. So I'm gonna take that off and pound that straight really quick. Okay, so you slide right up into there, maybe? Yeah. Dope. If you decide to delete your evap canister, you can take this little sensor here and just dump a wire in there. And then check engine lights will go away.